the fuck? My two dogs. That left dog isn't mine. Sorry. Misleading. My dog's on the right, and then the strangeristic dog's on the left. And my dog's going after it, and it looks kind of mad. She's going very slowly. I swear, that left dog is a boy. If they start loving because my dog's a girl, it's gonna be really awkward, especially with me here. Roxy, get him, sick him. Yeah, that's a boy. I'm gonna get up close. Get him, Roxy. Get him, Roxy. Get him. Get him, Roxy. Don't mind me, I'm just a cameraman. It's reality TV right here. The life of two dogs who don't even know each other. I better go there, shit. Come here. Get up on the road. Get her, Roxy. Get him. Roxy, attack his ass. You're a fucking German Shepherd. You're supposed to be, you're like a security dog. You're supposed to secure. Not freaking be scared of that bitch. What the fuck? Supposedly another round of non-raining storm. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Come on, Roxy, get him. Go over there, get him, Roxy. What is that, like a Great Dane or something? Miniature Great Dane? What does he do? If he fucking attacks me, I'll go ape shit on your ass, dude. I don't know you. I don't know you. Hey, cutie. It's actually a nice dog. Come here, Roxy. What do you mean? Yeah, sniff her butthole. Sniff his butthole. That's what you do every day, don't you? Hey, hey, be nice. Come here. I'm gonna call you Hazard, Dukes of Hazard. Hey, Roxy. God. Oh my God. Honestly, I don't even know that dog that's chasing my dog. I swear, if that dog hurts my dog, you better be fucking all the way at your house before I get you. I swear, it's not even funny. I don't want anybody hurting my dog. Hey, you two, quit it too. Damn. Animals can get really annoying. It's fucking cold. I mean, not cold in the air. It's just cold because I'm wet. I mean, that sounded wrong, but I mean, seriously, I'm cold because it just rained on me a little while ago. And it's fucking cold as shit. Going back to the house now. Come here. Come here, doggy. I don't know. I really do not know that dog. Is that dog taking a shit? No, it's taking a piss. Never mind. Sorry, you better not be taking a shit on my lawn, bitch. Yeah, I swear, if my other dog was out here, I swear he'd be going wild. Because my other dog is a little small and white. Come here. Come here. Come here. Hey, I said come here. Roxy, sit. Roxy's my dog. The German Shepherd. Dude, why is this dog on my lawn? Come on, bro, I don't have time to play. There you go, now you're away from that. Oh, hell no! You just pissed on my fucking plant, bro! You okay, plant? You better be. Yeah, go ahead. Piss on everything, why don't you? So I thought. I planted these plants by hand, nigga. You two. Be nice. Fuck, get your ass over here. I want to pet you. I'm not here to hurt you. I'm a nice person. That's what I thought, bro. Come here. Don't bite me. Don't bite me. Come here. I didn't even get to touch you. You sniffed me, now I sniff you. No, I'm not gonna sniff you. That's wrong. That's nasty. I don't sniff buttholes. I'm not that big of a creep. Now let me touch you. I thought, you better not fucking bite me, bro. Okay, I'm going. You want to chase me? Hey, you don't chase. You chase her, but you don't chase me. No, I see why. She's a girl. You're a creeper. You stalk girl dogs. Female dogs. You stalk dogs. Am I scaring you? Get on my... Okay, you maybe earned my respect, but you still cannot piss on everything I have. Piss on somebody else's property, please. Wait, how the fuck are you a boy dog when you have nipples? What the fuck? Nipples on your stomach, at least. You're weird, bro. Whoa. That's where we'll draw the line there. I'm going home. That dog has fucking nipples. Nipples like where a girl dog would have them. Speaking of dog, where's my dog? You two. I ain't over with you yet. Dog. I'm going back to the house. Are you Oh, yep, he's taking a shit. He's taking a shit. You really need to learn some manners, boy. I bet it feels good when it comes out your butthole, doesn't it? Weird dog. Taking some squats. Weird. Weird ass dog.